Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently sits in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 5.41% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -13.52% to -1.42%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 39.1%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 36.78% to 61.48% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $321.89 and $380.02. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The Apple stock price declined by approximately 0.174% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, dropping from $235.74 to $235.33. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline for the stock. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.02%, with a low of $233.16 and a high of $237.86. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of those days, resulting in a decline of 4.28% during this period. Interestingly, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock's movements. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, totaling 44 million shares exchanged for approximately $10.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 9.52%, or $24.76, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. continues to make headlines with significant developments as of March 6, 2025. The tech giant recently announced a substantial investment of $500 billion in the U.S., focusing on artificial intelligence and server technologies rather than increasing iPhone manufacturing. This strategic shift towards artificial intelligence capabilities could bolster Apple's competitive edge and potentially enhance its market valuation in the long term. Moreover, the excitement surrounding Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone is palpable, with projections indicating a potential price of over $2,000 and a target of 20 million units shipped by 2027. Such innovations could attract a premium market segment, reinforcing Apple's brand strength and driving revenue growth. In the options trading space, analysts are exploring new strategies for AAPL, indicating that investor interest remains strong despite recent market volatility. Additionally, while Apple's stock has faced challenges this year, experts suggest that any dips present opportunities rather than causes for alarm. The company's focus on enhanced products and technologies aligns with a broader trend in digital adoption and market innovation. In the short term, these announcements are likely to stabilize or even uplift AAPL's stock price as investor sentiment adjusts positively to the news. In the long term, Apple's commitment to innovation and strategic investments in artificial intelligence could set the stage for sustained growth, further solidifying its position within the technology sector. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 21st, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL a reduce rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies gave AAPL an underperform rating and recommended a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs rated AAPL as a buy with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, February 19th, 2025, Loop Capital Markets assigned AAPL a hold rating and issued a downgrade action. Lastly, on February 19th, UBS gave AAPL an overweight rating with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock exhibits sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at $237.79 and $235.63. A breakout above either of these levels would indicate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 4.79%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is an active sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which lessens overall risk, as volume typically follows price movement. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. A sell signal was identified. Pivots indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger signals suggested a buy opportunity 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also pointed to a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 13 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and, with solid trading volume, is considered to carry a medium level of risk. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated $4.70 between its high and low, which accounts for a change of 2.02%. In the last week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 2.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $229.86. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Andrea Jung conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 24.717. In total, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple displays several negative indicators and is trending downward, suggesting that it may continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in its technical outlook, we have revised our previous analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell recommendation. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by approximately 12 cents, starting at $235.45. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.